welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my process of making the DoubleTree Hilton Hotel signature cookie. Oopsie, it's falling. But yes, this is like honestly the best cookie I've ever had. I love eating these like back when the borders were still open. Every time my friends and I go to the States and stay at Hilton, pretty much every time we walk by the front every time we walk by the front desk, we would ask for a cookie or two. I don't know, we probably ate more than 10 cookies in our stay there, and right before we left, we asked for more cookies, and they were so generous with the cookies. Like, no questions asked, here's your warm cookie, and oh my gosh, it was so good. I was so sad that the border was closed, but you know, last year DoubleTree Hotel decided to release their signature cookie recipe to everyone. I decided to make it a few times, and I thought, you know, why not just share it on the video and have more people try it at home, because it is honestly so good, guys. You can find this original, see, this is not a copycat version. This is the original version from DoubleTree Hotel, and you can find this recipe. I have the link below so you guys can check it out and try it yourself. If you guys are interested in how to make this and want to see the process, keep on watching and we'll get started. Okay, I'm bringing most of these to work, but I'll leave some at home so I can bake some and let you guys see what it looks like afterwards. So yeah, I'm excited. Alright, so we're gonna open it now. Mmm. Mmm. So that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get notified for my newest videos coming out. That's pretty much it. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!